So this is a video lesson on VWAP, the volume weighted average price. By the end of this video, you would have a very solid understanding of how a volume weighted average price indicator, the VWAP, works and how to use it in your trade, more precisely in an intraday trade. VWAP is one of the simplest indicator to use. It works on the principle of averaging the traded price in terms of volume traded, and it is important because it provides traders an insight into both the volume and the price. So now VWAP is calculated by price multiplied by number of shares traded and then dividing it by total shares traded, or you can say it is summation of price and volume dividing by summation of volume. So the traders use VWAP as a trend confirmation tool and build a trading strategy around it. So when the price is above VWAP, they may prefer to initiate a long position. That means they want to buy the share. And when the price is below VWAP, they may prefer to initiate a short position. Means they want to sell the stock. So it's an important tool that traders use to track the average price of a security over a certain period of time. Traders and analysts use the VWAP to eliminate the noise that occurs throughout the day, so they can gauge on at what prices buyers and sellers are really trading on a stock or the market. So VWAP gives traders insight into how a stock trades for the day and determines for some a good price at which to buy or sell. So there is a natural pressure when a stock is trying to break above or below the VWAP. When a stock tries to break above or below the VWAP line, that means there is usually a battle between buyers and the sellers. So traders like to wait for one side to lose the battle and either go long on a break above the VWAP or go short on a break below the VWAP. The VWAP can also help a trader to gain insight into where the momentum is at a specific time frame. For example, assume a trader has taken a short position of a stock because there was a constant selling pressure and the stock is below the VWAP line. If the stock reverses and has a clean breakout above the VWAP, the trader should exit from the short position. The momentum has shifted to the buy side now. Let's see all these in Zerodha Kite chart. This is a 30-minute time frame candle I am using. So you can change your time frame from here, from 30 minute to 15 minute, 10 minute, or even a smaller time frame candle like 1 minute, 2 minute, or 3 minute. And you can add any indicator from here, the studies tab. So right now I am using VWAP. So I have added VWAP, and now I can change the color of indicator from here. So it is clearly visible now. So we have seen that VWAP is a trend confirmation indicator. When a price has started closing above the VWAP line, that means it is in an uptrend. And when the price has started closing below the VWAP line, that means it is a downtrend. So let's see from here. From here, the price of the share has started closing above the VWAP line and it has given a good uptrend from here to here. And from here it has reversed. It has closed below the VWAP line from this candle, and now it has given a clean downtrend from here. So on this day, first it was a flat trend. It has closed above and below for some time, and then from this candle it has closed below the VWAP line and it has given a clear downtrend from here, from this day to this day actually. But on this day it has again in flat direction for some time, and from here it has again reversed. It has started closing above the VWAP line and it has given an uptrend from here to here at least. So you can see on some day it is just going flat, no direction. Like in this day, it is the VWAP line is also almost horizontal and it is not having any trend. So on this day, see, it has reversed again. It has started closing below the VWAP line and it is now again a downtrend. And this day it is again a uptrend. It has started closing above the VWAP line, and then from here it is again reversed. So you can see that VWAP line is giving a clear direction, the sense of direction of the stock. So you can use VWAP to short or buy a share and take a good profit from it. So now the final takeaway from this lesson. VWAP is an intraday indicator. We use it on minute charts, and VWAP is an average. So like any indicators employing averages, this too lags the current market price. It's a lagging indicator. VWAP is used for two reasons: to get a sense of intraday direction and to get a sense of efficiency of order execution. And if you intend to short a stock, it is considered an efficient practice if you short the stock at a higher price than VWAP. Likewise, if you intend to go long on a stock, it is considered an efficient practice if you go long at a price lower than VWAP. And if the current price is above the VWAP, then the general opinion is that the stock is trending higher. And if the current price is below the VWAP, then the general opinion is that the intraday trend is down. And if VWAP lies in between the high and low of that stock, then expectation is that the stock will remain volatile. So this is all about the VWAP. Hit the like button if you liked the video, and if I have added some value to your understanding, please subscribe the channel. Have a nice day.